Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Paksiw. That's right, Paksiw. You see, Paksiw is made from vinegar. It may be a quick dish to make, but sometimes it's tough to balance out the acidity, saltiness, and the umami. So for today, we're going to be making Paksiw with mackerel. That's right. So, if you want your Paksiw to go from stick around and I'll show you how to make it. So let's get started. Alright folks, for today's ingredients, we're going to be using some garlic. We'll probably be using 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to crush them. And some Thai chili peppers, probably a couple of them for some kick. And a paksiw always has to have a ginger or ginger root. We'll probably use maybe a couple thumb size, crush them as well. And another key ingredient for making paksiw is the vinegar. Then we'll add a bit of olive oil. You didn't think I'll use that, right? Then we have our fresh ground black pepper, our fish sauce for some flavoring, and of course, a dash of MSG for flavor as well. And for our main ingredient, our protein here, look at that. This is a couple of mackerels here, fresh mackerels. We're gonna rinse them up, clean them up real good, get rid of those bloodlines inside. That way it gets rid of the fishy smell per se. But if it's fresh, it should not smell fishy, all right? So let's round them up. We got our mackerel over here, a dash of MSG, our fish sauce, olive oil, vinegar, fresh ground black pepper, and our garlic, chili peppers, and ginger root or ginger. So let's get started. Right, so let's get started here. We're gonna start by putting all of our flavorings here, including this ginger and garlic. And chili peppers here. We'll put 3 for I love you. So sentimental. All right. So on this, we're gonna put some water. Put your heat to high. So we'll bring this to a boil. Not too much water. All right. Then I'll add my flavorings here, which is some patis, maybe 2-3 teaspoons of patis. We'll add our vinegar. There you go. 1/4 cup. There you have it. A fresh ground black pepper. It's up to you how much you want to put, how much ground black pepper you want. To me, the more the merrier. And yes, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil there. There you go. So let's cover this up and wait until it boils. And we'll be back in about, I would say, 2-3 minutes. All right. All right, let's check back on this, folks. That's about 2 to 3 minutes right there. It has come to a boil. Now, before we put our fish in, because we're gonna simmer or boil the fish to this sauce that we made, you wanna go ahead and taste that right now. Let's see here. Okay, see if the flavor is up to your standards now. Let's see. Paksiw needs to be vinegary. a little bit of saltiness, and then umami. Okay. It's telling me now that I need some more of that fish sauce. Another 2-3 teaspoons of fish sauce. Okay. And a little bit more of ground black pepper for me. Now for the umami, because it needs to have a balance of sourness from the vinegar, saltiness from the fish sauce, and the umami from our MSG. Now let's taste this now. Let's see where we at. Mmm. All right, folks, we're right there. Now we're gonna put that fish now. See? Now for paksiw, you can pretty much use any type of fish, but I'd rather use mackerel because they're high in nutrient. If you're gonna make paksiw or fish dish, might as well go with the ones that has a high in omega-3 fatty acids, so it's good for you as well. All right. Now we're gonna let this boil up. How would you know it's done? When you see those turn white, it should be done. Turn white and solid, it should be done. Don't overcook it though. I would say probably give it about 10 minutes. And we'll put it on our heat to medium-high heat. And we'll come back in about 5 minutes to turn the other way around then. Or to cook the other side. Alright, let's check back on this. 5 minutes up. See how that's pretty much cooked already. Let's turn this around. The other side. There you go. Alright. There you go. Turn this around. Okay. Give it a flip right there. There you go. At this point, I'll probably give it another more 2 to 3 minutes, and we should be done. All right, folks, let's go back here. Should be on the home stretch here. Look at that. How quick is that dish? 10-15 minutes, you have a dish. Right there. All right, turn this over. Time to taste this again. See where we at on the sauce. Boy. That is so good, man. That is so good. Vinegary, saltiness, and the umami. Not to mention the fish itself is really good, man. All I need now is some fried rice over here. Folks, there you go. There's your paksiw na mackerel. Thank you for watching Jake and Cook. And until we cook again, I'll see you next time. Alright folks, I thought I'd show you some bonus video here how to cook my fried rice here to pair with my paksiw na mackerel. Alright. You wok, high heat, All right. A little bit of olive oil there. Don't need much. Let it coat the heat surface over there. Okay. Folks, with cooking fried rice, we need to make sure we have a very hot pan over here. Oil is hot, but we're gonna have a quick stir frying of our fried rice here. Let's start with our garlic here. Right there. Now I got some leftover sausage here, bratwurst, piece. Dice them up. Right. Ooh. Give it a stir. Let's put our fried rice over there. Or our rice, not fried yet. Okay. Okay. Let's put them all in there. Let's not waste a grain. Okay. And here, got some peppers. Okay. And we're gonna add some salt. There you go. Now we'll start mixing. See? Do it in a chopping motion. That way, we separate the grains of the rice. Folks, from here we're going to add 1 egg. There you go. Add a bit more of our salt there. There you go. Now let the egg coat each grain of rice. Is what we're trying to achieve here. See how I'm doing that? How I'm separating it? That's how you make fried rice. All this time, we have our temperature to high, medium high. Okay. So we can get all the grains coated up with that egg that we put in. Give it a little rest. 10-15 seconds rest. And you go back in there. There you go. Okay. Actually, this will go well with my paksiw. Paksiw and fried rice. Oh boy, they go well together. See how I'm still trying to get a big grain in there. All right, let's taste this up. See where we at. little bit of salt. We garnish with green onions sliced. There you go. That's what you want to hear. It's popping like popcorn. That's when you know when your fried rice is done, folks. All right. Look at that. All right. We're done here, folks. That's your fried rice right here. Bonus video. I'll see you next time until we cook again. Jake and Cook here. Thank you.